Hi there folks, and welcome to your What Solutions for this week's The Daily Rigour, your free weekly news and newspaper. This is issue number 20. So our first story, the UK has never been more addicted to smartphones. So in a survey of 4,000 UK consumers, it was found that 4 out of 5 of these people owned a smartphone. So essentially 4/5 of 4,000. So to find 4/5, we divide by 5 and times by 4. That gives us an answer of 3,200 people. So of the 4,000 people, 11% of them admitted arguments about overusing phones. So to find 11%, there's various ways we could do it, 0.11 times 4,000. If you're doing it without a calculator, the best way to do it is to find 1% and times by 11. So that gives us an answer of 440 people. And 1/10 of the people surveyed admitted reaching for their phones as soon as they woke up. I wonder if you do that. So to find a tenth, we divide by 10, and that's going to give us 400 people. Okay, so our next story, England manager leaves after one match in charge. So Sam Allardyce left his post as the England manager on the 27th of September after just 67 days in charge. So what date was he hired as England boss? So you're essentially taking 67 days away from the 26th of September 2016 because we can't count the 27th because he never saw it out. So we could take off the 30 days that are in September, take off the 31 days that are in August, and then we could take off the remaining 7 days, and that would give us an answer of the 22nd of July 2016. So not long at all, but at least they managed to keep us 100% win record. So dog microchips, outdated contact details leaves animals unclaimed. So 4,700 stray dogs out of a total of 37,283 unclaimed dogs couldn't be returned to their owners due to outdated microchips with the wrong address on it, for example. So what percentage of unclaimed dogs couldn't be returned to their owners due to outdated microchips? Well, it's 4,700 out of a total of 37,283. So we divide by 37,283. That makes it a decimal. So to change it to a percentage, we times by 100. And if we do that and round to one decimal place, we get an answer of 12.6%. Okay, so our last story, we've got millions have less than £100 in savings in the United Kingdom. This is by a study from the Money Advice Service. So we've got Jim, and he decides to save £1 for the month of October, and then he plans to increase the amount he saves by £1 for every month for a year. So if he sticks to his savings plan, will he have more than £100 in savings after a year? Give a reason for your answer. So let's work out what he saved first of all. So essentially we're adding up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ... all the way up to 12. And this is the amounts that he would have saved for every one of these months within the year. So that comes to a total of £78. So as we can see quite clearly that no, he would not have more than £100 savings, but our reason for that answer is because 78 is less than 100. And there you have it folks, that concludes the Work Solutions for the Daily Rigour issue number 20. I hope you enjoyed that, so make sure you stay tuned next week for issue number 21 when we're looking at some more stories from the news of the week and the numbers behind them. In the meantime, thanks for watching and bye for now.